This is the number comparison game. The program asks the user to enter three numbers. It checks which number is the biggest. When it finds the biggest number, it prints it. Then it checks if that number is even or odd. If all numbers are the same or no clear biggest, it prints a message saying the comparison is unclear. So 180 is even because 180 is the bigger number than 90 and 40.